Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get TikTok back after deleting the app Canada. Start by opening the Google Play Store. Then search for TikTok in the search bar and tap on the install button. Once the app is installed